Okay, hi everyone. My name is Madhu and I work for Oracle's database development team as a senior software developer. I've been here for about 5 years. It's great to be here and good to see all of you. So within the database, my team works on semi-structured and unstructured data storage within the database. So basically JSON and XML storage within Oracle database, and Saurabh's team works on text. So the whole idea is that it's a converged database to store all kinds of data within a single database, not just relational data. So today I'm going to quickly talk about what my team does and some of the cool JSON features that we recently released in Oracle Database 23 AI. And I'm also going to show you how to quickly create a mini app that's backed by Oracle Autonomous Database. So I guess all of you have been provided with Oracle Cloud credits. And in case you haven't, then you can quickly sign up for Oracle Cloud's free tier, and you should be having credits on that. So you can use that to quickly create an app. You don't really have to code it from scratch, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So these are some of the features that my team has built. So we worked on JSON data type. So just like how Saurabh mentioned that there's a vector data type within Oracle database, there's also a JSON type where you can natively store JSON documents, and a lot of work has revolved around that. And then, so that is for JSON storage. There's also JSON generation, wherein you can generate JSON documents from relational tables, and again a lot of work around that. For example, enhanced indexing mechanisms, and then integration with the vector type, which Saurabh spoke about, and a lot of other performance and indexing mechanisms. Now, during the presentation, I might use autonomous database and database interchangeably. Autonomous database is just Oracle database on the cloud. Autonomous means that it automatically scales. There is auto backup and a lot of functionality that's automatically provided, so you don't really need to manually configure those things. So this is the first feature. This is called JSON collection, wherein you can store a collection of JSON documents directly into Oracle database. This is very similar to what MongoDB and other document store provide. So you just create a JSON collection table and provide the name, and you can directly insert JSON documents into it without doing any other wrapping on top of the JSON. Each JSON document is identified by an _ID field, on which it's also indexed for faster retrieval. Then another feature is the Oracle API for MongoDB. So a lot of our customers were using MongoDB previously because it's known for document storage. But what this API does is essentially, if you're using MongoDB, instead of storing data into MongoDB, you can now store it into Oracle database. All the API calls of MongoDB are instead mapped to Oracle database with similar features and better performance. So in case you're using MongoDB and want to shift to Oracle database, this is something that you can use. And another extremely powerful feature is called the JSON relational duality view. So I have a set of relational documents. If I want to combine them and map them into a single JSON document, I can use something called as the relational duality view. Once I create the view, it treats it essentially as a JSON document. Now, a lot of applications prefer to use data in JSON format And when you want to exchange data as well, a lot of protocols understand the JSON format more. So this essentially treats a combination of all the tables as a single JSON document and a single first-class object. So it's very easy for you as an application developer to use JSON directly and not the relational format. And this is what we'll be working on through the app, which I'm quickly going to show you. So, yeah, that was a high-level overview of what my team works on. And I'm going to quickly show you how you can create an app using your Oracle Cloud account. We'll be using something called Apex to build the app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch Apex, and then the data will be backed by Oracle Database 23 AI. I'll be creating some relational tables. Then I'll create a JSON relational duality view on top of that, and I'm finally going to render the data as an interactive report using Apex. And what is Apex? Apex is a low-code application platform. So you don't really have to code the front end and back end. You can just create an application on Apex and it'll do that for you. You just need to drag, drop some UI elements and then create tables on the back end, and all the interaction between the two will be handled automatically.